Hey there everyone, Jav here from Cut and Make Crafts, and today I am inviting you to a very special event, Gifts and Business with Cricut. Woohoo! So I designed this event specially for crafters who want to make personalized gifts with their Cricut and also some extra cash from their Cricut crafts, because I know holiday season is full of craft shows and you get orders to make gifts for other people and everything. So that is why I wanted to host this event, to get you prepared, get your gifts sorted, and your business strategies in place so you can make the most out of this holiday season. So we are gonna be starting the summit on the August 31st at 6 p.m. EST with a kickoff call, and the presentations will go live the next day starting from September 1st to September 3rd, and you will have 48 hours to watch the videos. There are gonna be 35 plus presentations, and you'll also have access to the pop-up Facebook group where you can ask your questions from all the presenters. And it's a completely free event, but if you want access to all the amazing stuff forever, for all the access to all the 36 plus presentations forever, then you can upgrade to the amazing Gifts and Business Gold or Silver Access Pass, which will give you instant lifetime access to 35 plus workshops, and it will give you commercial license for all the SVGs, worksheets, step-by-step processes, and a $47 off coupon code for my SVG designing course. And there's so much amazing stuff stuffed in that access pass that you got to check it out yourself. But for now, just hit the button below and get your free ticket, and so you can get ready for this holiday season with your business strategies and your personalized gift. So quickly click on the button and get your free ticket, and I'll see you inside. Bye bye.